Welcome back to the product creation setup. You can also set up a product that will be free for your customer to download. And all you'll need to do is to indicate that in the pricing area. You will then still be able to set a regular price so the customer will be able to see the value. And just as you did with the subscription product, you can limit the number of individuals that will be able to download the product by limiting the sales. Now, once you set up this free product, it can be anywhere within the offer that you are setting up. It's a good idea when you are setting up a free product that you write in the product name and that you indicate that that product is going to be free. And you want to make sure that the product name reflects that. The other place where this is going to matter is going to be where the product is placed within the offer. And when you do that, you're going to have control over that page inside of your offer. So when you do the page setup for a free product, one of the things you can do is you can indicate that that product is free by writing in free to the product name. And depending on where the product is going to be within your funnel, you may also want to make sure that your offer settings reflect the name of a free product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.